As the ruling ZANU-PF annual conference opens in the Eastern Highlands city of Mutare, under a heavy dark cloud of an intensifying battle over succession and corruption issues, Vice President Constantine Chiwenga's bid to seize control of the levers of state power from President Emmerson Mnangagwa looms large. Zanapenda mashoko kubuda pangwa and Iowa, pangwa ino ZANU-PF endeavor opens under dark cloud. Don't you subscribe or like on the bell icon. Pangwa ino nawe succession infighting yakonzeresa toendera mberi kudanyira chiti the power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga over the party's unresolved leadership question and succession cast a shadow over the conference set to pass a consequential resolution to amend the constitution to extend the incumbency rule beyond his 2028 second term constitutional limit to 2030 or further. ZANU-PF passed a resolution at its Bulawayo conference last year to extend Mnangagwa's stay in power, providing a springboard to Mnangagwa's rule extension or third term. The party's Politburo has since tasked its legal department to work with the Ministry of Justice to explore ways to amend the constitution to implement its resolutions on Mnangagwa's rule. While Mnangagwa says he will not extend his controversial rule beyond 2028 because he is a constitutionalist, which is irony with large for someone who first came to power through a coup in November 2017. His allies are forging ahead with the 23rd agenda at his behest. This has fueled the party's escalating succession infighting now, affecting the whole country. Chiwenga is positioning himself as Mnangagwa's successor, but the incumbent is struggling to keep him at bay. Mnangagwa reportedly wants Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General Philip Valerius Vanda, Smoke Gure, or Chris Muchangwa to succeed him. Under a cloud of uncertainty, three major political issues will play out at the conference. Mnangagwa's maneuvers to extend his rule to 2030 or beyond third term. Chiwenga's fierce opposition to that and his allies' 1 million march protest on 17 October and the recent confidential document that he presented to ZANU-PF's top leadership in the Politburo. In his document, seen by the Newsbox, Chiwenga raises serious issues and a series of issues including corruption allegations against local multiple million naira tycoon KUTYA, among others. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva inoi ari kunyatsoratidza kuti aiwa panguva ino tiona the ZANU-PF conference ichitanga, but inotanga kuchonekwanzi the ruling party ZANU-PF hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Aiwa nhau the succession dziri kuonekwa kuti it has torn up the ruling party. Zvinatsokubuda pachena kuti the situation with the ruling party haisina kumira zvakanaka. Tiudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.